Good morning, student. Today we will know more about the direction from chapter 7. So, as usual, before starting the chapter, thought of the day is the beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. What is the thought of the day? The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. So, student, with positive thought, let we start our chapter 7, that is directions. Page number 35. On this page, we will discuss and learn more about the direction. So, page number 35. Here is warm up activity. In the picture, circle the right hand and the left leg. Student, in the picture, circle the right hand and the left leg. So student, in the picture circle the right hand. This is a right hand and the left leg. Okay. So left leg is here. Okay student. Now let me start chapter. Imagine that your aunt has shifted to another area of the city. You have never been to that place. One day she invites you to her house. Imagine. Only we imagine something that our aunt has shifted to another area of the city. We have no idea where is this place and we go to our aunt home. So your mother asked her how to reach that place because we don't know about that. So our mother asked her how to reach that place. So picks a paper and writes the address. But your mother is still not sure how to reach her place. Now student, in this chapter, we know more about the direction. So, in very first para, imagine our auntie shifted to another area of the city and we never know where is the place and she invite us for her home. So, your mother asked her to reach the place. She picks a paper and write the address there. But your mother is still not sure that how to reach her place. Now continue. So your aunt starts drawing the road from your house to hers. She marks the nearest bus stop to her house and all the important places on the way. Your aunt marked the nearest bus stop to her house and all the important places on the way. Okay. It means your aunt starts drawing the road from your house to her house. Okay, student. Now, you have a fair idea now because she has given a sketch of the route to her house from yours. So, student, it is very clear. It is a route map. Your aunt drawing this route map. Okay. So, you have a fair idea by this. Okay. Now, a sketch is a rough outline of a map. So, student, sketch Sketch is a rough outline of a map. So student, I hope you understand that on this page we studied about the route map. Okay, so this is the route map. Your aunt start drawing the road from your house to her. Okay, now then move on next page. Here, directions. Okay, now page number 36 is this directions. Student, then she says board a bus to Anand Nagar, get off the bus at the Anand Nagar main bus stop. Walk straight from the bus stop until you see a big hospital. Now she explain route map. Okay, so she says board a bus to Anand Nagar, Get off the bus at the Anand Nagar main bus stop. Walk straight from the bus stop until you see a big hospital. Take a right turn next to the hospital. Walk straight till you reach a government school on this street. From there, take a turn on that lane. There are 5 houses in a row. The third house in white color with a green gate is my house. Now, student, aunt is make a route map and she is nicely describe her home. Where is she situated? Okay. So, to understand a route in a simple way, we use the sides of our body, left and right. For example, your aunt house is on the left lane from the government school. So first of all student, you know about where is your right hand and your left hand and your head and your legs. Okay. So the important places like the hospital and government school on the way to your aunt's house are landmark. Student, landmarks are important. Okay. Landmarks are important places that help in locating a place. And in simple language, landmarks an object that can be seen easily from distance and will help you to recognize where you are. Okay. Landmarks an object that can be seen easily from a distance and will help you to recognize where you are. These are the landmarks. So landmarks are very important place that help in locating a place. Okay, these directions help us orient ourselves wherever we are. So this is the landmarks. Are important places that help in locating a place. 4 main directions. On a bright sunny morning, go out in the open, stand in the morning sun and stretch. Student, here is a spelling is stretch. Stretch. S-T-R-E-T-C-H. Stretch means to push out your arm as far as possible like her. So stretch means to push out your arm as far as possible. Okay. Got it? Okay. Point your right arm toward the sun. This is her right arm. Right arm. Okay. Point your right arm toward the sun. This direction is east. So we write it here east. The direction on your left side is west. This is left hand. Write it here west. In front of you it is north. In front of you. This is the front of our. And behind you is south. Here is south. So student, write it again. North, west, east and south. Okay. Now, north, south, east and west are the 4 main directions. They are called cardinal directions. So, student, cardinal directions are one set of directions that people around the world use. Again, cardinal directions are one set of directions that people around the world use. Okay, here, cardinal direction. These directions help us orient ourselves wherever we are. Cardinal direction. These directions help us orient ourselves where we are. Okay. Now student, there are also 4 subdirections. The points between 2 main directions are called subdirection. So, subdirection. How we recognize it? These are the subdirection. Okay. Okay. The directions that fall between these main directions are called the subdirection or intermediate direction. Okay student. Now again, subdirection, the direction that fall between these main directions are called intermediate or subdirection. Okay student. Now there are also four subdirection. The points between two main direction are called subdirection, like this. Okay student. The direction between north and east is northeast. The direction between south and east is southeast. The direction between north and west is northwest. The direction between south and west is southwest. So for this we move on next page. Yes, this is page number 37. Here is a direction and subdirection. Okay, so subdirection, the direction that fall between these main direction are called intermediate or subdirection, like this. These are the main direction, north, west, east and south. These are the main direction. And subdirection, there are also four subdirection. The point between two main direction, main direction are north and west. So in between, this is the point. Okay. So the direction between north and east is northeast. This is the northeast. Okay. The direction between south and east is southeast. Southeast. Okay. The direction between north and west is northwest, and width is between north and west is northwest. The direction between south and west is southwest. So more, these are the subdirection. Okay student. The direction between north and east is northeast. The direction between south and east is southeast. And the direction between north and west is northwest. The direction between south and west is southwest. Okay? Yes. So, again, the direction between north and east is northeast. Northeast. And the direction between south and east is southeast. This is the direction between north and west. This is north and west. These are. Okay. So, these are the subdirection. The direction that fall between the main directions are called intermediate or subdirections. Okay, student. Now, language of map. Directions are used as a language of a map. So, it is interesting that direction are used, I am here, are used as a language of a map. The top of a map show the north, and the bottom of a map show the south. The right part of map is east and the left part is west. Look at the map of India and write the four directions. Okay, these are the four directions. Now recall this. The top of a map shows the north and the bottom of a map shows the south, and the right part of a map is east and the left part is west. Okay student, I hope you all understand this. Thank you so much to listening me beta.